So this is a PPT. It will give you one front end screen like this for financial sales, the report name, and what is the last refresh date, and how can we download this. And this is the way the report has been. Like this, we can share the reports either as per the customer, they want it as a PPT format, we can share the report. And we can directly, if the customer want to see the navigate the visuals, we can share it from here by sharing this report. And if you want to give the subscription, we can give the subscription also to the end users. Okay. I'm just going to the dashboard. Just I have created. See here, I have created I just publish a report. Once I publish, report and data set will come. Report is nothing but a visualization information will be available. Report at the report level. Data set, complete data set information, and refreshing and all. We can do it in the data set level. And just now I created with a dashboard, right? Financial sales. So that one also appearing here. So once we can click it, the two visuals will be going to appear here. So here there should be no interaction. Suppose if you can click here, it will redirect to my report only. See here only we can able to see the interactions with each and every visuals. In dashboard, we can't see the interaction. So most of the cases in real time, the end user is going to expect the reports only. Sometimes if they don't want any navigations, we can create a dashboard and share it to the end users. Like this, the interactions and data availability should be there to the end users, so they can able to navigate and they can able to we can able to share the reports by using these options. And we can do the scheduling in the data set level. As I said, data set level, we can schedule the report here at the settings. We can schedule it here only. I said the gateways and all, data gateways. So here we will do the scheduling activities and all, and we can able to schedule as per the time beings and do the runnings and all. We no need any manual interruptions like run the report manually and all. Here we can schedule it, and automatically as per the times we can see the report automatically. It will open. It will send the alerts to us. Like that we can. So I hope it is clear. Hello. Do you have any questions or else any doubts or else something you just want to convey? Please let me know. This is, Power BI, it will be useful, and it is a top running visualizations tool and the current market trend compared to the other BA visualizations. Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes, someone raised a hand. Let me know what is the question. Yeah, you can ask your questions and I will answer you.